We interrupt this program to bring you this late-breaking news flash. I think I may have decided on a pickup bed for this this little project right here, and I'm getting kind of excited about this next build. But I got one in front of this. I'm going to do some work on the green bean before I do this, but I'm gathering up parts for this, and I'm going out now to look at what I think is going to become the bed, the rear bed for this truck. So I thought I'd take you all along. All right, see ya. Something to see out wandering around. I'm just going to whip over by that fence. Maybe I still can. Check out something back there. What do we got back there? I see something. Oh, we should button that old iron. Where'd it go? There it is. There it is. Don't know exactly what it is, but I bet it's something cool. Alright, let's see if we can find this other guy's place. We're looking for a big pimple. Big pimple on the mountain. There it is. I see it. I spotted it. A pimple on the landscape. There's the driveway. There's the pimple. This guy's got a cool car we're going to look at. I think it's a BatMobile. An orange BatMobile, I believe. That is a beauty, and everything ought to be red like that. Either red or orange, right? Boy, what a beauty. Yeah.
Door panels, is that door panels?
Yeah. Yeah.
And the
carpets in, seat covers on.
yeah, just we're building the rear seats now. I had to build them.
Oh, really?
Well, yeah, because
You
I
didn't
couldn't find any.
You didn't have any, huh?
No, what he had in here was a Buick set.
Oh,
And they were too wide.
didn't quite fit. Huh?
No, I don't know where he claims the seats were in this when he bought this thing.
Yeah?
But I think, you know, it's been half a dozen different places before it came over here.
Yeah. And then what do you call this one? This one got a name?
50 bar.
Huh?
50-50 bar.
50-50 bar. Okay. Yeah, it looks like an orange creamsicle.
No, 50-50 bar.
Okay. All right.
We didn't call them creamsicles.
Really?
Where I come from.
Oh.
They were 50-50 bars.
I never heard of that. But I like it.
So when the ice cream man had a 50-50 bar, you had orange sherbet, or you had
vanilla?
well, no, the
Or half
vanilla
and
was
half.
in the center.
Oh, okay.
The cream set.
Okay.
It was the orange sherbet on the outside and vanilla in the middle.
Okay, I like those wheels. I always like those little rally wheels.
Yeah, they're powder coated.
Yeah. Yeah.
I tried to copy those.
I like
colors. I didn't
I
quite.
like how you done the exhaust.
That's a single exhaust.
It is.
Yeah.
Huh. You don't have that running on the other side?
No.
Really?
We cut everything, you know, everything comes together over here on this side.
Crossover.
Then goes to a big old long
Okay.
Magnaflux.
Oh, it's looking.
Magnaflow.
Oh, it's looking good. It is looking good. Yeah. So you're just putting the chrome on now?
Yeah, I'm finishing up. Trying to just get the outside finished up so I can take it to the Massey chassis.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you think of that grill? You like that grill?
Oh man. Yeah. What's he got in that one? The original?
That's the
stock grill? Billet grill.
I wanted to do something different.
Oh yeah. Well, you did. You did. I see. I just don't know how you can.
I just got that bumper there.
Yeah.
Is 15 pieces.
Really?
And about 35 nuts and bolts.
See, I don't know how, when you put so much time and work into one of these, I don't know how you can turn around and sell it. I just don't know how you can, I don't know how you, I have a detachment problem when I spend that much time with it.
Well, yeah.
But, I mean, how can you let this go, man?
Well,
of course you have it, yeah.
Go. I mean,
you
just
might
drive
keep,
it if I ever get it running right.
LT1.
You know what that's off of?
No.
Pickup out there.
Oh.
LT and on the tailgate. Or something.
Yeah.
And then the one is off of the Silverado. I took everything off but the RAD.
Oh, okay.
It's a Chevy Red. It's a new model. You didn't hear about those?
Nope.
No, they're a new model, man.
Okay. I'm not up on this stuff, you know. No, that's nice. So, how's it run? How's it run?
Well, I've got some issues. I haven't really had time to work on them yet.
Why did you go with single exhaust? Just different, just to make it sound.
Power, and it makes sense. You know, the newer motors are more set up for that.
Yeah, they gotta have a certain amount of back pressure, right?
Correct,
yeah. So what this thing sounds like. Sounds good. Sounds good. It's all different when they get a computer in on it. Yeah.
See the gauge, those are Dakota digital gauges?
Oh, I know. I saw those the other night. I love them. Oh, those are beautiful. Nice. All right. Everything? Yeah. Oh, okay. So you got the newer steering.
95 rear end in it.
Yeah.
I got a deal on those, boy.
Yeah.
For my trailer.
Oh yeah.
My car trailer.
Yeah. Those are nice.
Goes over the wheel.
Oh yeah. Okay.
The cleats and everything.
You like that?
E-channel.
So you retrofit your trailer with the.
Yeah, with the
those.
Yeah,
Okay.
the cleats are laying down there.
Boy.
Yeah, see, that's got the cast iron heads compared to that is
aluminum heads. Okay. The LT1.
260 horse, and now it's 300 horse. So.
Okay. Boy, both. That's just going to be a nice cruiser, I'll tell you. Really nice. Love the red. Love the red.
Yeah, he really likes this.
Yeah. That's what I'm really here to see. Yeah. Well, it sounds good. Yeah. Nice. Well, you know, these things, I used to not even like them. I thought the 59s were ugly, you know.
Back in the day.
You know, nobody did.
Kids, they were
they were ugly.
Look at those BatMobiles, man.
I know. But now they've gotten real popular.
Well, I guess so. Well, you know what it is, kid? You know, it's like the rat rod thing.
Yeah. Well,
it's a newer thing.
Yeah.
And I think people started getting tired of the Tri-5.
Sure, yeah.
Everybody was after Tri-5.
I know.
I
know. They're just overdone. Yep. Yeah. So this is different.
And
you know,
jumping into this.
Yeah, but for a long time nobody wanted the 61. You know, nobody liked 61s. Everybody wanted 62, 3, and 4 for a long time. Nobody liked 61s. Now they're
That's 61.
Very sought after. Oh yeah.
59 to 61 are really.
Yeah.
The money. That's what the money's at. That's where you gotta pay.
Yeah.
You gotta pay for it. You know.
That's nice.
But I don't know. It's kind of really not.
Well. Yeah. I think it needs to be a pickup bed. And I'll show you. I'll grab my phone. I'll show you why.
Like El Camino, basically.
I think that'd make an excellent pickup bed for my my 39 Doge pickup. But like I said, I've got other options too, so I'm gonna be a while before I get into that project. So we'll see if he gets done with this. He's got to pull the rear end out of it yet, and I just want the shell, the back half. So we'll see what happens. Alright, thanks for going along. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Always fun to go look at old iron. We interrupt this program to bring you this. We interrupt this